Living in a bubble shades are really sturdy.
Easy to install.
Really easy. Really easy. Quick clean. Stickers on.
Done.
Nice and easy.
Happy days.
Yeah. Fantastic product.
You want to talk about stealth? Living in a bubble, you outdid yourself. This is amazing.
These are the cover before, and light is still coming through in every direction. That's how good it's covering the light from the outside. No light come through at all. Same goes with the back door. No lights coming off at all.
The magnets are sewn in professionally and they look a whole lot better than my budget option. They fit your windows perfectly.
This is the front windshield cover, and it is magnificent. It's soft. And all right, here we go. Look at how easy this is. Unfold it. Bring it around. Mirror. And the magnet sketch. These up here. Fold your visors down.
All of their items are made to be super convenient to put up and take down. Not only do the window covers provide us with lots of privacy, but they are also insulated and help regulate the temperature. All items come with a cute bag to keep everything neatly organized.
Living in a bubble shades are made specific for your van model. They fit the interior size of your window perfect with no light leaks, meaning you can be inside with all your lights on and nobody will have a clue. They're multifunctional. Not only do they cover your windows, but the back set have these handy pockets. I store my back door locks in one and my phone charger in the other, so they're always accessible when I need them. They're easy to store. All the shades fold up flat for easy storage. They come with a quality bag which protects the shades when not in use.
Check out how sleek these bad boys look in our van. For starters, these are super easy to set up and pack up, making it really convenient for when you're living on the road, especially on those nights where you want to get to bed as quick as you can. They are super effective and block out 100% of the lighting coming from outside, making it perfect for movie nights and of course when you're stealth camping with the city lights.
The back ones can also be stored on the windows. Just roll them up and secure with the straps. I prefer to roll mine down. The magnets hold them against the door, and now you can still see out the window while driving.
Don't let the sun dictate your comfort or compromise your privacy. Grab this new product and you will not regret.